grab a new intake, swap it out. Stay tuned. I think I'm gonna go Spectre for now. Stay tuned. Alright, got the intake out, got the tools out. Time to swap it out. This is way better. Way better compared to that. Okay. You got it? Daddy help you. Alright. Now you gotta watch and learn, okay?
Huh?
You gotta watch and learn.
When what?
How to work on cars. When you get older, then you know how to work on cars.
Oh.
Yeah. Okay. See this right here? This is an Allen wrench. Okay? It looks like an L or a 7, 6, 7.
6, 7.
See this?
Which one?
This is a sensor.
The sensor?
This is the mass airflow sensor.
So we take it out?
Yeah, Daddy's changing it out. I should have unplugged it first. I don't want to damage it or dirty it. Let me see.
Hey,
There we
you're
go.
gonna damage it?
You gotta keep it clean.
Ah.
Yeah.
Daddy, how this is not falling down?
What?
This.
Because it's held by the hood strut, you see?
Oh.
It's strong. Daddy put this over here for now. Okay.
Ew,
We gotta loosen this.
what's this?
What?
This.
That's for the fuse box. Yeah. So it's got fuses in there. And the fuses is all electrical stuff.
Oh.
Yeah. I want to turn it. Lefty loosey, righty tighty, okay? You turn it right to tighten it.
Oh.
There we go. Gotta get this off. See how dirty that is?
Ew.
It's damaged. It's dirty. That's not good anymore. So Daddy gonna put this one on. See, this one's clean.
Ooh,
Shiny, yeah. Yeah. Oh, it's okay. Pick it up for Daddy. Alright.
Where'd this go?
Here we go.
This is shiny too.
Yeah. It's a clamp. It's gonna go on top here. I just want to make sure that it's fitting properly.
It
Yep,
fits.
it's fitting. Okay. Alright, let me get the clamp.
There you go.
Thank you, baby. Yeah, I can't let it fall down there.
Huh?
Can't let it fall down there.
Why?
It's gonna be hard to, well, not be that hard to get it back, but I just don't want it to fall.
They look what this could do.
Huh?
Look.
Yeah, it's a zipper. Alright, it's in there. Just want to make sure it's snug all the way. Don't want to have any air leaks.
So you can put this in the garbage?
Huh? Yeah, that one's gonna go in the garbage.
So I put it in the garbage?
Just now.
Okay. What happened?
Nothing. We're just gonna put it back down there. So the air's gonna come in through here, come through here,
So
go
the-
down here.
From under here
Yeah.
and under here.
It goes through the grill, goes through here, and straight to the intake.
Oh.
Yeah. Make sure it's good. Alright, that's tightened. That's tightened. Alright. And we just put in the sensor again.
I thought that was a bird.
Oops. The gasket came out. That's not good. That was not good.
Can I put this in the garbage now?
Hold on, baby.
Now what are you gonna do?
Had to fix the gasket real quick. Don't fall, don't fall. Here we go. Give it an extra tighten. Alright. This one too. Alright, well, time to start it up. You heard the pop? Yeah. Was it scary?
Yeah.
No?